Ice cream ko. Yung tangan niya ka. Hindi! Ano na kape? Hindi. Ay, kagor gido. Miguel? Ugoy ka nagigaya ka na. It's not yummy? Yummy or not? Miguel? Yummy or not? It's yummy? Yummy or not? Sabi nga sa. No! Isa Miguel isa. Ginaunsikan mo lang na
Chocolate and milk. Chocolate and milk.
Butihan mo ga. Chocolate and milk. No! No, that's too much. Too much milk na. Too much milk na. No. No! You're bad
Papa. Yummy.
Wala, dirty na yan Hindi na pagbalik. Dirty na. Hindi na pagbalik. Dirty na. Dirty na. Yeah. Panos naman ang gatas na hindi naman natin.
No. Chocolate.
Ano? Tsura niya Chocolate? Chocolate and what? Milk? Nak, too much milk na nak.
Ikatama milk. Mami, chocolate. Okay.
Tama na.
Papa. Look. Okay.
Are you happy? Happy or not?
Okay.
Okay, say okay.
Papa, okay.
Okay?
Wow, what's that, baby?
Ice cream. Hindi naman na matiti ang gatas niya ano na.
Wow.
Ginampangan ni Kagor gino.
Give me, baby, please.
Okay, mommy.
Give me. I have banana.
Oh, banana
Didinig, your favorite?
No.
No.
Chocolate.
That's not my favorite.
Bantay ka ngayon ngayon ko,
That's not my favorite. Ano yung bibigay? Miguel.
All done.
All done? All done na daw ka. All done. You want to become a chef someday? Nak? You want to become a chef? What do you want someday? You want to become a chef? Wow.
Chocolate.
Oh, wow, chocolate. You're making a chocolate ice cream with chocolate? With milk? Wow. Oh, too much na. All done na, all done. You said
Papa, done.
all done. You said before all done. So, too much milk na?
Chocolate.
Oh.
Papa, chocolate.
Add chocolate more? No. No more chocolate.
Ari man lang daw yung mga kahoy. Oh. Chocolate.
No.
Sila mo, drama ang...
You said before all done? All done. Oh, too much na. Too much milk na, baby. All done. Okay. Hanap siya tayo. All done. Okay. Gagawin ito.